Hi all, today in this video we are going to see about the fundamentals of Java part 2. So in this video we will be seeing how to create an object and how we are going to access the instant variables and methods, source file declaration rules and the Java package methods. So first thing is how we are going to create an object. So it is a class that provides a blueprint for an object. So an object is created from a class. In Java, we have a new keyword to create the objects. We will follow 3 steps for creating an object. First one is declaration. That is nothing but a variable will be declared with a variable name with an object type. Next one is instantiation, which is nothing but a new keyword. It is used to create the object. Finally, initialization is a keyword that is followed by a call to a constructor so that it will initialize the new object. So this is a method to create an object. Now we will see how we are going to access the instant variables and the methods. So these can be accessed via the created objects. So what is the method we are going to do is, first thing is we have to create an object. So here object reference new constructor. What I'm doing is I'm just first creating an object. Now I have to call a variable like this. Object reference dot variable name. What this will do is next it will call a class method as follows. So object reference dot method name. This is the way of accessing the instant variables and methods. So now here we will be seeing the source file declaration rules. That is, only one public class is allowed per source file. The source file can have more than multiple non-public classes. And the main thing is the public class name should be the name of the source file. As well, it is appended .java at end. For example, in the Hello World program, which we have created in the first video, we have given the program name as Hello World. So when the class file is implemented, what it will happen is it will be appended by .java in the end. So that the public class name should be always appended by .java at the end. Next one is we are going to see about what is a Java package. It is nothing but the way of categorizing the classes and interfaces. So when we are developing an application in Java, hundreds of classes and interfaces will be written. So that we have to have a clarification of what are the classes and the interface. So this Java package helps us to identify that. For example, if a class is defined inside a package, then the package statement also inside the source file. And if the import statement, what is an import statement? It is nothing but it is a way of giving the proper location for the compiler to find that particular class. For example, if the import statements are present and it is written between the package statement and the class declaration, so that we can easily find out the location for the compiler to run that particular class. So if there is no package statement, then the import statement will be in the first line of the source file. And this import and package statements will imply to the main classes present in the source file. So that it is not possible to declare different import or package statements to different classes in the file. It will be clearly categorized. For this one is this. The mapping will be properly done over here. The classes will have several access levels. First one is abstract classes and next one is final classes, which we will see in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.